Currently, we're standing in one of my 3 laundromats, and that is at South Hill Laundromat in Puyallup. To begin with, why Speedqueen? I did have other brands in my other 2 stores, and it was just a headache. And so now I've retooled to Speedqueen. I really like the brand. It's very simple to work on, and I really like the software because I'm data-driven. Using the app is great. Every time I have an error, it goes to my phone, and I come up to fix it. I had to come up and download the data twice a month, whereas now I get it every day. It's real-time data. It gives me the early warning. That's what I like. But this was creeped up, so there's something in the drain. Someone's got a problem. I can restart the machine, shut the machine off, or reprogram the machine from my living room. It was interesting for me to see some of the older people using the app. Have I seen an uptick in turns? Yes. I showed a few people what my turns are, and then everybody's in an aha moment. If some of the customers are here like every Wednesday, we give them a little reward for being here every Wednesday. Number one is the people. You see the whole demographic of the community here. Another word you could use is family. Our methodology is if it's clean, safe, and well lit, and now I want to make it easier for you to do your laundry.